In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clone HubSpot content, including marketing emails, forms, and snippets, so you can save time and avoid rebuilding assets from scratch. Cloning is one of the fastest ways to stay consistent with your campaigns while keeping your workflow efficient. If you're using HubSpot regularly, this is a feature you absolutely need to know. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about how to clone a marketing email in HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. From the main navigation bar, go to Marketing, and then click on Email. This will take you to your email dashboard, where you can see all of your existing marketing emails. Next, find the email that you want to clone. Hover your mouse over that email, and you'll see an Actions button appear. Click on Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Clone. HubSpot will then prompt you to choose the type of clone. In most cases, you'll simply select the regular clone option. Once you click Clone, HubSpot will create a duplicate version of that email, which you can then rename, edit, and adjust as needed. This is perfect if you're running similar campaigns and just need to tweak subject lines, content, or dates without starting from zero. Now let's move on to cloning a form in HubSpot. This is especially useful if you use standardized form structures for different landing pages or offers. From your main dashboard, go to Marketing and then click on Forms. You'll now see a list of all the forms in your account. Hover over the form you'd like to duplicate. Just like with emails, click on the Actions button that appears. From the drop-down, select Clone. HubSpot will immediately create a copy of that form. After that, make sure to give your cloned form a new, clear name so you can easily identify it later. Once you've renamed it, click Save. You can now edit any fields, automation, or follow-up options without affecting the original form. This keeps your reporting clean and prevents accidental changes to live assets. Finally, let's look at how to clone snippets inside HubSpot. Snippets are commonly used by sales teams to quickly insert pre-written responses, so cloning them can help you create variations without rewriting everything. To clone a snippet, go to CRM in the main navigation, then click on Snippets. Once you're inside the Snippets area, locate the snippet you want to duplicate. Click on Actions next to that snippet, and then choose Clone. HubSpot will create a copy that you can edit and customize. This is especially helpful if you want slightly different messaging for different audiences while keeping a consistent structure. And that's it. That's how you clone marketing emails, forms, and snippets inside HubSpot. As you can see, the process is very similar across different content types. Hover, click Actions, select Clone, and then rename and edit your duplicate. Using this feature regularly will save you a huge amount of time and help you maintain consistency across your marketing and sales assets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.